Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. This is Bailey Paxton and I'm the founder of AgileCare Solutions. And today I'm going to give you a quick run through on how to use our platform. So first of all, you're going to start out by clicking the sign in button at the top of the screen. From here, this will take you to the login screen where you can enter your email and password. And then from there, you'll be able to log in. Once you log in, the first thing that you're going to see is on the left, you're going to have your care team, right? And so if you want to be able to invite a new person to the care team, essentially what you do is you just type in that person's email and then you click invite, and then they'll get an email sent to their email, and then they'll be able to click the link there and it'll help them make an account. From there, you'll see the family feed where you can post pictures, status updates, upload pictures, videos, emojis, whatever you want, and then you can post it. As you can see, there's also a bunch of charts that you can share. I'll get to that in a minute. But basically, you can share tasks, and you can post pictures, and make sure everybody in that care team is in touch and up to date with their loved one's care. You can also like and comment on each of those posts, and then you can tag them as moments. So I'll click that, and then I'll put it back, and then you can come up here to this moments button, and then if you're caring for someone for the first time, then you can click that button and then get an instant frame into this person's life and know a little bit more about who they are and how to interact with them. So the next thing is over here we have this upcoming tasks, and so you can see we had breakfast and then lunch at noon, and that's what we have to do today. Here, if we want to view that person's profile, we can come over here and then we can view the information, and then we can type in their name, home phone number, mobile, email, and then about section. And then so the next thing is we're going to come over to the care log. And then, so here, the care log's pretty self-explanatory. To create a new task, you can click the plus button, and then from there you can create the task, find the time, date, you can assign it to a specific caregiver, or come to more options. You can place an end time and then a priority. Pretty soon we'll be able to have the advanced scheduling for you, so you'll be able to schedule out every other week, every day, every other day, anything you need. But what's nice about here is we have this description where you can add pictures, videos, and really kind of walk through how that task needs to be performed, right? So if you think about a shower, for example, you can take a picture of the shower handle and then say, hey, it needs to be at this angle. That's the preferable water temperature. So additionally, you can mark these tasks off as complete, and then once they're complete, you can actually share them to the family feed. And so then you can insert a little comment and then a picture to ensure that, hey, we did have breakfast, or hey, we did have lunch with Dave. On here, it'll show the priority, and then you can also go back and edit the tasks, and then you can view those descriptions, see when it was completed, and then you can copy that task to the next day. Additionally, we have these different general wellness items, so you can track weight, sleep, water, glucose, pulse ox, blood pressure, heart rate, and then pain. And then what's pretty cool is that you can track it multiple times a day. So for example, let's do 100 and then 120, and then you can write a little comment. So this this was great, and then click submit. And then from here, then you can go and see the actual time that it was logged, and then you can go back and you can see those comments. And then additionally, we have all these mood, symptoms, physical activity, mental activity, and so then if they're experiencing any of those symptoms, you can just track it very quickly. And then what's nice about that is it's all shared to this dashboard where everything's plotted out, so you can see the average heart rate, average blood pressure, pulse ox, pain. And then additionally, we have these cool charts for mood and activities. And what's nice about this is you can actually share this over to the family feed. So then we can come over and say, oh, hey, look at that. There's the mood. But then, back to the dashboard. So you can see the different pain, water, weight, sleep, and so you can see any abnormalities over time. And then the next step, which we're going to be adding in more coming soon, but basically all of these inputs are going to drive these actionable insights, right? So if grandma is angry, here's 8 ways to diffuse the situation. Oh, she's bored. Here's 32 activities that you can do. So all different little features that you can add to drastically increase that level of care. And then the community is still coming soon. And then there's a support page. So if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out through that. And then additionally, we have this feedback bar too, where you're able to go and rate your experience and give us your comments and questions. Additionally, you can edit your profile by going right there. And then you can, if you have more than one person that you're taking care of, then you can come over there and then you can click back and forth, and then you can create new clients. But that gets to be a little more advanced. So excellent. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward to hearing your feedback. So thank you.